Hello and congratulations on getting yourself a Young Living Starter Kit. This is the kit that pretty much changed my life, and I'm going to show you all the ways that you are going to be able to use the oils and the products that are in here, and I'm just so excited for you. Okay, so you're going to get a box and you're going to get a diffuser, and most likely you got the Desert Mist diffuser. And so to use the diffuser, all you do is you take the top lid off and then this center lid, you fill it up to the fill line, and there's just kind of like just a groove. You fill that up with water, and then you put your oils in. I suggest 2-3 drops to start with, and then obviously put that lid on, and then you're gonna see two buttons. So the one on the left is the on button, and then the one on the right is where you can switch to candle flicker setting and all the different colors. And then just make sure that you have the plug flat and correctly in there, because if it's off at all, it's gonna leak, or you're gonna feel like it's leaking. Well, it is gonna leak, but it's just because you need to get the cord perfectly straight in there, and it's not hard to do, it's just sometimes it gets wobbly. So that's how you use the diffuser, really easy. So let's talk about what's in your kit. Okay, so make sure that you take the time to read the literature that comes on the left side, and there's some just the basic information about the oils and some information about the company, so that's really great to read through. And then the first layer, because there are 2 layers, note that, but the first layer is going to be 10 of the 12 oils that you get. Okay, so let's just talk about the uses really quick. So peppermint. You will see white labels. These are the labels that are safe to ingest. Okay, so this is the Vitality line. So Peppermint Vitality is amazing for head tension. So you're gonna wanna put that where it's a muscle relaxer. So put it on your temples. You can put it in your water for energy, for focus. It's great for nausea. So a lot of people take this in the car for car sickness. It helps with sugar cravings. It helps with digestion, so you can rub it right on the belly. So many uses for peppermint. Lemon is another Vitality. It's detoxing, it's flushing. You can put this in your water every single day. It's so good for you. The immune system. It's also great to get sticker residue sap, so it's like nature's Goo Gone. And then of course you can use it for baking. Put a couple drops in a batch of shortbread cookies or something, so good. So lemon is kind of a staple for so many things. And then lavender is calming to the mind and the skin. So think sleep, calming. It's also great for focus, but it is also amazing for skin. So you can apply it topically to your skin. It's great for burns. It's great for rashes, bug bites. It is also one of the #1 hair growth oils. So you can put that in your mascara to grow your lashes. You can put it in your shampoo, conditioner. So lavender is absolutely a staple. And then lavender, lemon, peppermint is for seasonal allergies. So that's the trifecta for that. So now you know a little secret. Okay, let's talk about Citrus Fresh, which is similar. It has a lot of the citrus oils like lemon. It also has a little bit of spearmint in it, so it's kind of a minty fresh. And this is for moods. It's so uplifting, so a great one to diffuse. Kids love it. It's also wonderful for the immune system, uplifting, just about the things that we talked about for lemon. So Citrus Fresh is really good, but I love it for emotions. Really powerful. Another Vitality oil is Thieves, and this is your #1 immune boosting oil. So we want to put that on your feet. If anybody's not feeling well, it's great to diffuse every day for prevention. If anybody's not feeling good though, you want to get that going like every half hour if you can on the feet, so you can just kick the germs. Digest, another Vitality. So this is great for all things digestion. Rub it right on the tummy. It's great on the chest for heartburn. This is also great for nausea, car sickness, and you can put it on the spine for anybody that's not feeling good, because it's really great because the immune system is actually in the digestive system. So when you're supporting the gut, you're supporting the immune system. Frankincense for all the things. So when in doubt, get Frank out. This is great for skin, for wound healing, for brain fog, anything neurological. It's also great for skin, like wrinkles, fine lines, sunspots. So we use this every day on our skin, every morning, every night. When in doubt, get Frank out. Honestly, it's good for so many things. Also on the spine, if anybody's feeling sick, because it's a good immune supporting oil. Panaway is, think pain away, sore muscles. It smells so good. It smells like root beer. I love it. Men typically love this. Put it where it hurts. That's all I'm going to say about that. You will love it. Raven. Raven is good for respiratory. So you can apply it. Diffusing is great. It opens up the airways. You can put it on your chest and back to coat the lungs and support the lungs that way. So this is for any breathing support. Raven is going to be your oil. Valor is phenomenal for courage, for anxiety, for any just kind of feelings of fear. And it just smells amazing. So this is a good perfume. If you paired Valor with Citrus Fresh, that smells so good. But this is just really good emotional oil, and you can apply that really anywhere. Breathe it in, and it just helps you feel strong. And Stress Away, aptly named. This is my perfume, and whenever you need some stress to go away, carry this with you at all times. And then Peace and Calming, aptly named as well. So this is a really great one to diffuse. Kids really respond to this, and pets. If you have a crazy animal, this is really amazing that you put a drop on, put it on your hands, and then rub their fur. Okay, so that a lot of people have success with Peace and Calming, but also for children, for any time you just need people to chill. The Peace and Calming is great. These are all the oils that you get in your kit. What a toolkit you have now. A couple other things. So Ningxia Red is a really powerful antioxidant drink. It is a red drink that it's made from the Ningxia wolfberry, which is great for blood sugar. It's great for energy. It's great for eye health. It just floods your cells with so much nutrition, and it's whole food. It's not like a juice where some of it's been taken out. This is a whole food supplement. We take an ounce a day, 2 ounces, 1 to 2 ounces, pop this in the fridge, drink half a packet a day for 4 days, and see how you feel. Liquid gold, I promise you. It also comes with a hand purifier. So this is your safe alternative to Purell. The cool thing is it moisturizes, so it's not going to dry your hands out. If kids stick their hands in their mouth after you put it on, no worries, because it's perfectly safe. So this is a game changer. And then you have the beloved Thieves Household Cleaner, which cleans every single thing in your house. So it replaces all of your cleaning products. Your floors, your floor cleaner, your window cleaner, your surface cleaner, your shower cleaner, everything. So you put a packet of this into a 14 to 16 ounce bottle, and you have yourself a powerhouse cleaner. So try that. I doubt you'll ever go back. And then a couple things. It has 2 roller fitments and caps. So you take a bottle, pop the lid off, and the best way to do it is just take the lid, and then you can pop the plastic orifice reducer off, and then pop the roller fitment on like that, and then you have yourself a roller, which makes it a lot easier to use at times. And then you use the special cap. There you go. That is what's in your kit. I am so excited for you. Please never hesitate to reach out to your enroller to ask any questions. You learn as you go. Pick an oil each week to use, and pretty soon you're going to be a pro. Okay, enjoy.